Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to enforce OTP email verification for all our current user or customers in WooCommerce WordPress. So we are going to enforce all our existing customer to verify email address again with OTP based email to login back into our WooCommerce WordPress. So we are in all user. Now you see email verification not done and then you see action. So resend email verification OTP. Click on this tick icon to verify email by yourself. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we already installed this plugin, customer email verification for WooCommerce for OTP based email verification. So you can find that video link in video description. I already configured this plugin for new registration for new customer. So when new customer register or sign up in our WooCommerce store, so then they will receive email based on OTP, one time password. After that, they will complete registration on our website. Now go to user again. So this is our user customer. So we already log in for this user. So now you see we are in my account page for user Hassan. So we are going to resend verification email for this user back to WordPress dashboard and then you see resend for this user. So click on it and then you see resend email successfully sent. So OTP based email sent to user email to verify again to login back to our WordPress website in WooCommerce store. Now you see we receive email. Please verify your email address. Thank you for signing up for Handmade. To activate your account, we need to verify your email address, your verification code 9910. Now go to WordPress dashboard again and then on left side you see setting and then you see permalink. So click on it. So we are going to regenerate .htaccess file again. So after that, current user or customer cannot face any issue. Just click on save changes. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.